Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best GoPro Hero is probably one of the most versatile and rugged action cameras on the market, designed to capture your most thrilling adventures with stunning clarity and stability, making it an indispensable tool for content creators, athletes, and outdoor enthusiasts alike who demand uncompromising performance in any environment. Number 5. GoPro Hero Session Action Camera. Meet the GoPro Hero Session. Its compact, waterproof design and lightweight make it perfect for anyone new to action cameras. Capturing your adventures is effortless. Just press the button once to power on and automatically start recording video or taking photos. This camera is built tough for extreme conditions. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, so you don't need any extra housing. Experience incredible footage with its ability to record in stunning 1440p 30, 1080p 60, and 720p 100 video. It also excels at photos, capturing 8MP single shots, bursts of 10 photos per second, and time-lapse options. Expand your storage with support for microSD cards up to 128 GB. For optimal performance, remember to format your card regularly. What we like. This one is incredibly simple to use, perfect for beginners. If you want a no-fuss, durable camera that you can just grab and go for casual adventures, this is it. Its small size and waterproof design mean you can take it anywhere without worry. What people say. The Hero 4 Session is unique in the GoPro line in that it features one-touch operation. This means that the camera is powered off at all times unless the user is adjusting settings or recording. Simply press the record button, and after a couple-second delay, the camera is powered up and begins to record. When finished, press the button again and the camera finishes recording and powers down. The GoPro Hero 4 Session is the smallest GoPro as of the time of its release. The shaved-down dimensions are very noticeable when mounted on your barrel, especially if you choose to mount it upright, on top of the barrel. Previous GoPro cameras were significantly wider, which meant more of your vision was blocked when looking down the barrel while playing. The GoPro Hero 4 Session features automatic image rotation. This means that when the camera begins a recording while it is upside down, it will automatically correct the video to right side up. This saves quite a bit of time that would otherwise be spent manually rotating the videos in computer software or changing the camera's orientation settings on other action cameras. Number 4. GoPro Hero Plus Camera. Capture your adventures in breathtaking detail. This camera records immersive 1080p video at 60 frames per second, bringing your memories to life. Never missed a perfect shot. It takes crisp 8MP single photos, stunning time-lapse, and rapid burst photos up to 5 frames per second. Stay connected and in control. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow you to easily connect to the GoPro app or smart remote for effortless mode adjustments and content sharing. Take it anywhere, fearlessly. It's durable and waterproof up to 131 feet, ready to withstand the most extreme environments and conditions you can imagine. Keep recording without worry. It is compatible with a wide range of microSD and SD memory cards, ensuring you have plenty of space for all your footage. What we like. With built-in Wi-Fi, this camera makes it easy to connect to your phone. If you're looking to easily share your footage or control your camera remotely, this is a great choice. It's also built tough and waterproof, so it's ready for most action scenarios. What people say. The daytime video quality and resolution is very impressive, especially the readability of license plates. The one-touch setting for recording is very good for riding, powers unit on and begins recording with a flashing red light and an audible beep to acknowledge start. The Wi-Fi function and Bluetooth is impressive. With a few clicks of the top and front buttons I put the camera into Wi-Fi mode. Without even reading the instructions, just downloading the Android app one was paired in 5 seconds. Full high-speed zero latency viewing from the application. So you can mount it in your car or helmet, open your app, check the view is what you want, and click record from the Android app. You can also watch videos back, or use it as a live viewer. Number 3. Smart Remote Control for GoPro. This smart remote offers broad compatibility with various GoPro models and even smartphones. Its design allows for hands-free operation, making it perfect for any adventure. Control up to 5 cameras at once from up to 80 meters away. It's ideal for capturing dynamic multi-angle shots during your most thrilling activities. Built to withstand the elements, this remote is rainproof, dustproof, and shock-resistant. The magnetic charging port ensures durability even in sandy environments. Easily monitor battery levels, camera status, and recording time on the sunlight-readable LCD screen. Switching between shooting modes is a breeze. Customize your favorite settings for quick access with programmable shortcut modes. Spend less time navigating menus and more time capturing incredible moments. What we like. This remote offers unparalleled control over multiple cameras simultaneously. If you're a filmmaker or content creator who needs to capture multiple angles or coordinate shots, this is your go-to accessory. Its long range and smart display ensure you stay in command, even in challenging conditions. What people say. The GoPro Hero Wi-Fi is a fantastic camera for capturing all your adventures. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around, and the Wi-Fi connectivity allows for seamless sharing of your photos and videos. The video quality is superb, with crisp and clear footage even in low light conditions. The built-in stabilization ensures smooth shots, eliminating any shakiness. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to adjust settings and access different modes. The battery life is also impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 2. Suptig Wi-Fi Remote for GoPro. Take full command of your GoPro camera from a distance. This remote offers wireless control for various GoPro models, making capturing your adventures easier than ever. Don't let the elements stop you. This device is waterproof up to 6.5 feet, ensuring reliable performance whether you're by the pool or in the rain. Always know what your camera is doing. The built-in LCD screen syncs with your camera, displaying status and settings for quick confirmation and efficient operation. Connecting is simple, just follow the on-screen prompts. It also features a convenient mini USB charging port for easy power-ups. This package includes the remote, a charging cable, and both a neck lanyard and wrist strap for versatile carrying options. Elevate your photography and videography. It's designed to bring you more convenience and help you capture better shots. What we like. This remote provides clear status updates on its LCD screen, making it easy to manage your camera. If you need a reliable remote that works with a wide range of GoPro models and offers waterproof protection for your adventures, this is a solid option. It's designed for convenience and durability. What people say. It pairs easily with my GoPro, and the connection remains stable during use. The buttons are responsive, and the screen is clear, even in bright light. Battery life is solid, I've used it on extended shoots without needing to recharge. The build quality feels sturdy, and the remote is compact enough to clip onto my gear or wrist without being bulky. The convenience of a built-in LCD display to keep tabs on camera functions was the deciding factor here. The ability to know at a glance how your battery life and time remaining on the GoPro is what made me purchase this unit. Easy to connect, runs my 4 GoPros in sync, awesome unit so far, recommended for sure. Number 1. Suptig Triple Charger for GoPro. Charge up to 3 GoPro batteries simultaneously, along with your Wi-Fi remote. Its unique PCB safety circuit ensures secure and reliable charging. Connect and charge using either a mini USB or micro USB interface. This offers flexibility to suit your existing cables. It's designed for a range of GoPro models including Hero 8, 7, 6, 5, and 2018. It also works with compatible Wi-Fi remotes. This incredibly compact charger powers up 2 batteries in about 2.5 to 3 hours. Your Wi-Fi remote is fully charged in just 30 to 40 minutes. Your purchase includes the Suptig battery charger and a micro USB cable. Get ready to enhance your filming experience. What we like. This charger is designed to keep all your gear powered up efficiently. If you're tired of waiting for batteries to charge or need to power up multiple GoPro batteries and even your remote simultaneously, this is the solution. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel, ensuring you never miss a moment. What people say. Plus you can charge your smart remote simultaneously. Bonus. Charges quickly. Very simple and does what you expect. Recommended. Charging 2 batteries and the remote without doing it separately is great. Just take it off the charging cable, pack it up and ready for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.